Good morning, friends. So today I would like to discuss about ESP32 development kit and PZEM004T, which is version 3. And this is the final result that I am showing. This is the dashboard of Tasmota. And let me restart and show you from the beginning. So I'm just clicking on restart. ESP32 has 14.4.1 release of Tasmota 32. The installation is very easy. So when I restart, this is how I see things. So basically you can connect multiple devices to this one PZEM004 and if you can just wait for some time, all of those multiple readings get down to one particular sensor reading, because I have connected only one sensor to it. I will share the details of the connections that I have given, and before that we will have a look at the configuration. So here I am clicking on the configuration and module. This is the configuration that I have done. That's it, nothing else. It's very simple. So GPIO 1 is going to PZEM0XX TX and PZEM016RX is going to GPIO 3. That's it. As soon as I configure that and save, that is how I got the results. I have some junk coming in. So energy yesterday and energy total. So I'll be working on that and post in future videos. So there are a few other things that are important for us, that is tools and console. So this is where you will have lots of information. Okay, so in my next videos I will also try to talk about different parameters that this gives us, the values of different parameters that it gives us. Okay, and yeah, let me once again go back to tools and then say main menu. That's it. In my next video I will also post the connection diagram, because I have to collect all the images and then post it on the YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.